everyone, this is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is it's mail call. I think I got one stash ad, and I'm thinking about coming back to the bench and maybe a couple projects I'm going to work on. I really don't know. I'll turn around and show you here in a minute, but y'all know I've been gone for a while. Y'all know the situation. Everything's looking great right now. Hopefully it stays like that. My beautiful wife is doing great. So with that being said, everybody needs to pray for Michael Hence's wife. You know, he's made a video and explained what's going on, so y'all go check him out and keep praying for his wife for hopefully a speedy recovery. Hopefully she'll be up and around for too long, hopefully. Keep praying for Jeff Lawless and his family. Alright guys, with that being said, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel right here will never ask you for a dime. I don't do PayPal, Patreons, anything like that. I don't need to grow. We don't worry about that. Guys, all I want is for you to always check out, like, share, and subscribe to anybody I might mention in the community. Our modeling community is awesome. It's the best around. You know, the Facebook groups, yeah, they suck. I don't care for them. Let's see, you know, this is the best one around, I think. You know, everybody's positive. They're, you know, always upbeat, trying to encourage everybody. You know, that's what this channel is about, encouraging people. You know, I'm not the best model builder in the world, not at all, and nor do I claim to be, and really, nor do I really want to be. Yeah, some people, they strive for that. Everything's got to be perfect. Bolt, rivet counters, you know, you guys do you. That's what you want to do. Be great at it. You want to, you know, you want to grow your channel and try to make a living. Hey, more power to you guys. That's not what this channel's about. I'm just a little redneck from Arkansas who loves to build models, and there's not much around my area, not going on. You know, very few people that do it. Not really no model clubs, nothing like that. This is my way, just to show you guys what I've done. If you care to look, if you don't. It don't matter. But hey, I love you and appreciate the ones that do. And but this community is the best. You know, people, you know, not backbiting each other, worried about, oh, this ain't right, that ain't right. Who cares? You do you, boo. You do you, if that's what you want to do. Okay, enough rambling with that. But alright guys, let's get this thing started. Alright, my buddy Joe from Outpost 31 Model Works, right there. Thank you, Joe, for the card, the kind words, and you are a great modeler, dude. I love everything you got going on here, and you're like me, you got a little variety of everything. Look at that, you rusted out that old 51 Chevy. That thing's all rally cars. You know, I love my rally cars. That is awesome. Jeep, you know, look at that diorama scene right there. I mean, the guy can do it. Y'all, get over there and subscribe to him. If you're subscribed to me, go subscribe to him. You know, the guy's only got like 48 subs. Man, please get over there, support him, check him out. He's trying to grow his channel. Just go check him out, guys. Great guy. And then everybody knows this guy right here. Old Rob, Time Machine Scale Models. He sent me his new shop card. And Rob, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I love it. And he also sent me his that's the little sticker right there. And his little business card. Now that's awesome, guys. Rob is a great builder, and this guy can build anything too. He is good at weathering. He's good at shiny. He's good at detail, it don't matter. Man, the guy is good, and he's a hell of a BMX bike rider. Great guy. Hey, he used to be a race car driver too. Dude can do anything. My buddies up there in Michigan, man, there's some awesome people up there. All right, now with that being said, my buddy John Bailey over there in England. Now I ain't got a shop card for him, but and if y'all's not subscribed to him, get over there and subscribe to him. I want to get him over 1,000. This guy's awesome, but he did a name change. He was the Scale Reviver, and this guy is a guy after my own heart. He loves vintage models. He does a lot of restoring vintage model kits, model cars, trucks, whatever, you know. He restores, he customizes. I mean, he does newer kits too, but the majority, 99% of his collection is vintage. You're talking Johan, AMT annuals, MPC annuals. You know, he buys, sells, he trades. He's, you know, a heck of a guy. And he lives over in England. And he changed his name to JB Scale Creations. It's not the Scale Reviver no more. And if you're subscribed to me, please get over there and subscribe to him. If you like what I do, you're going to love what he does too. Get him over 1,000. Get him over 1,000. He's sitting at 735 right now. And that dude is awesome. Get over there and check him out. Then another brother of mine, brother from another mother, is Robert at R&B Model Works. Man, his last video, and I'm going to link it in the description below. I sent him some models, and told him to keep what he wants there, and he's going to build me. So it's kind of a collaboration build. He's painting the body, he's decaling, foiling, clearing, you know, just getting the body and you know, the guy can build NASCARs like you can't believe. I mean, he's that good. I know you guys know there's other people, you know, Mark Batson and, you know, the others that really are good too, but man, I'll tell you what, Robert's works right up there with them. Robert Bishop, love you, brother. And like I said, we got kind of a collaboration build. He's going to paint the body and do some of the modifications for me, and then when I get it back, I'm going to finish painting the engine, the interior, the chassis, whatever, button it all up, put it together, and present it. And so that will be our collaboration together. I appreciate you, brother, and I'll tell you what, he is three subscribers from hitting 1,000. I know, guys. I know. If you're subscribed to me and you don't know who, please get over there and sub to him. You won't regret it. The guy's amazing. And unlike me, he actually gets on there and has tutorials, tips, and everything like that. You don't want no tips from me. I'm not that good. Get over there and subscribe to him. Anybody I mentioned, please get over there and subscribe to him, guys. All right. Well, then I had one stash ad. I hit an antique shop for the first time, and I don't know when. And you know, since everything's been going on and stuff, I've not had time, money, or anything just to do anything like that because, you know, y'all know the situation. But I grabbed this one. $5. $5. Never been built. And it's the vinyl top car, the 69. And that's what drawed me to it, because I got a couple Chargers over there, the 68, whatever, you know, and stuff, but not the vinyl top car. And man, I've been wanting that one. Just one of them's always slipped through my grubby little fingers. And $5. Never even been built, guys. Still sealed on the inside. Look at that. $5. That's why you guys always hit your antique shops, guys. Flea markets, antique shops, yeah, they're Sometimes they're overpriced, but sometimes you get good deals. And majority of the time down here, because there's not a lot of model builders down here, I get pretty good prices, and that's probably the reason why. Some of you guys in cities and stuff that, you know, a lot of model building going on and stuff, you might not get the deals I do sometimes, but you know, it is what it is. But if you look long enough, you will. All right, I'm going to shut my mouth, turn this around, and let's see what I got on the bench and kind of thinking about starting. I don't know. Let's check something out. All right, guys, the first thing we got on the bench right here is a old resin body here. You know, if y'all watch Paul over at Left Coast Models, he does a resin series or whatever, you know. I can't remember exactly what day it is, and he talks about all the resin models he's got and stuff that he's not built or whatever. And he does a flashback where he shows vintage models and this and that, and the guy's all around great. Y'all know who he is. Get over there. If you don't, subscribe to him as well. But he's talking about model house and other stuff like that, and well, it got me to thinking. I have an old wagon, and I'm not for sure what it is. And Paul or any of you guys, if you know if this is model house or whatever it is, I got it mocked up right here. It's a 1957 Oldsmobile 4-door wagon. I don't know if it's model house. Don't know for sure. It's the way I got it in the box. It just said 1957 Olds. It come with the glass and that. And it's got the chrome grill, and the chrome bumpers, and the interior and stuff. But it you know, I just don't know what it is, because this is the way I got it. These wheels aren't the wheels for it. This is just a chassis I got mocked up under it. And that's the way I got it. So if y'all, any of y'all know what it is, just tell me below. And yeah, this is one of them that'll be on the bench sometime. I don't know if anytime soon, but I just thought I'd get it out. Got me to thinking since I seen his video, and just show you, hey, I got a cool one. Not for sure if it's model house, but y'all can tell me if it is or not. Some of you guys out there with a little more knowledge than I got. But very cool. Very cool. I bought that in a collection of stuff, you know, a good while back and stuff, and that's one of them. I had several resin wagons and stuff. I think Tony Lancer got one or two off of me. And this is one of them I got left. I think I got a couple left, different ones, but thought I'd let y'all see that. Very cool red. It's actually excellent as far as the casting. There's not a lot of cleanup. It's got flash and stuff, but it's, you know, it's resin, and that's what you're going to have to do with resin, but it looks pretty dang decent. I just got her all taped up there. Let me pop this one off here, and then I'm going to throw this one up here. Guys, I'm thinking about starting this one. This is an old build-up I've had. It just needs to be finished up. It's thrown in the box, and I got it out, and I started putting stuff on it to see if I want to build it, because, you know, after I built Tom's Merc for him, and I got to get that in the mail to you, Tom. I'll get it in the mail here in a week or two. After I got Tom's Merc, Rambler 69's Merc built for his appreciation built, that old 49 Merc, it kind of got me wanting to build this right here. I knew I've had it started for years, and it was time to break it out, and I'm thinking about starting this one right here, and that's it. It's the customizing series. You can see right there. But this is what I've done to mock it up. This is just a mock-up. Ain't nothing been built on it other than the fender skirts glued to it. You can see the hubcaps here. I don't know what those are called. But it's either used like those hubcaps. There's the original hubcaps with the white wall. Here is a custom, what do you call that? Back here, I can't remember what they're called, with the spare tire looking thing with Continental kit. And then that is the Carson top with the chop top, Carson top. I thought about that. Or I've glued the windshield to this old windshield or back glass. And this is a 2-door Now look at that. That's a 2-door hardtop version. What do y'all think about that? Which one do you like? Tell me below. And like I said, the door handles are shaved off this. You know, it's got a little bit of stuff done to it, not nothing much. But other than that, it's all still in its white plastic other than the body. That's been painted because that was an old top I had in something else. And I pulled it out and put the windshield on. It's all scratched up. But just to let you see what's going on, tell me what you think, guys. Build this or not? And if I do, Carson top or the hard top? Do you like the Continental kit on the back? Do you like those hubcaps? Do you like the original hubcaps, or should I do something different like I did on Tom's build? And this one right here, if anybody can tell me what it is, if it's model house or whatever it is, let me know. All right, guys, please check out everybody I mentioned. Like I said, I'm thinking about coming back to the bench and actually build something. Like I said, I pulled out of all group builds, and I'm just not going to do them for a while. I just want to kind of let things settle around here and see what's going to happen and how everything works out. Hopefully the wife stays great, and we'll continue on later on. But till then, all right, guys, love you. Bye.